Data preparation is a crucial step in the data analysis process, serving as the foundation upon which meaningful insights are built. It involves cleaning, transforming, and organizing raw data into a structured format that can be readily analyzed. The initial phase of data preparation often includes data cleaning, where inconsistencies, errors, and missing values are identified and corrected. This ensures the accuracy and reliability of the dataset, minimizing the risk of erroneous conclusions. Following data cleaning, the next step is data transformation. This involves converting data into a format suitable for analysis, which may include normalizing or standardizing values, encoding categorical variables, or aggregating data to derive new metrics. Transformation helps in enhancing the interpretability of data, making it easier to uncover patterns and relationships. Furthermore, data integration plays a vital role in data preparation, especially when dealing with multiple data sources. This process entails combining data sets from different origins, ensuring consistency in data formats and structures. By integrating various data sources, analysts can achieve a more comprehensive view of the subject matter, facilitating more robust analyses. Finally, data preparation involves organizing the data into a logical structure, often through the use of databases or data warehouses. This organization allows for efficient querying and retrieval, enabling analysts to focus on extracting valuable insights rather than grappling with disorganized data. Overall, effective data preparation is essential for unlocking the full potential of data, setting the stage for insightful analysis and informed decision-making.